name is Madison Harris, and this is my calculator app. So here's some original ideas I had, a bunch of them, but I decided to go with dogs, calculating a dog's age in human years and feeding measurements for their breed and size. Originally I wanted it to be a lot more complicated than I should have made it. So later on I took away most of this stuff, but I wanted to have someone be able to put their documents on it and suggestions for other things. And here's some other app variations that I found. I haven't found any that have all of my ideas in one app. Here's my original sketches, my opening screen, and I wanted to be able to have someone personalize their profile with their dog. Here's my home screen ideas, and here is my calculator idea sketch. Then this is my user test, my first user test. And they originally thought the calculating page was confusing because it is kind of jumbled right there. Once I switched the calculator up, it looks like this. It's much more designed, but still not quite there. I wanted to have dog years and human years, switch between those two, but I changed that to have two, like one on this side and then one on this side. And then here's my food measurements, which I never got to. User 2 said to get rid of all the extra stuff I didn't need, and they thought something was confusing. This is my original rough on UX design. And then this is my first one in color. And then this is what I changed after another usability test. I changed it to dog years and then human years on this side. And then for week 4, I usability tested this one. They thought this margin, this needed more margins, which I agreed. And they thought I needed to show more of the whole screen instead of just it splitting off there, which I agree with. So these are my final images. Welcome to my furry friend. This is the home page. And then you go to the calculator page. This is where this screen ends, and you can scroll down. You can enter your dog's information, their name, their age, their month they were born, and the day they were born, their breed, and the size of their breed. The only ones you need to put in are the age and the breed, and the others you can put in to be more specific. Then you press calculate, and then it goes to the screen and tells you all the information, and you can go back to a more simplified version like this, or pull it back down for hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. And then here's my design mock-ups, and that's it.